Listen to this ancient principle named Wu Wei. It means not forcing anything you undertake. Consider an artist's performance, a dancer, musician, or actor. The most celebrated pieces feel natural. Any forced moves draw instant criticism. Many misinterpret Wu Wei as laziness or passivity.
Lazy.
Not so, it is the practice of measured action exactly when it matters the most. A judo trainee knows this. You exert force only when the opponent is off balance. You wait for the right moment, you don't rush. Chronicled by Shakespeare brilliantly, there is a tide in the affairs of men, which taken at the flood, leads on to fortune. Wu Wei aligns with this natural tide. It's akin to sailing with the wind, not against it. A remarkable quote from the Laozi: "Superior virtue has no intention to be virtuous, and thus is virtue." In other words, true Wu Wei doesn't try to be Wu Wei. That's it. Those who have unlocked their cosmic identity and think they've tasted true freedom, that's delusional. You can only know your true desires in quiet introspection. Let's visualize. We're all aboard a spaceship called Earth, cruising through the heavens of the void. Imagine the intrigue and wonder of a child figuring out the world. We need that childlike enthusiasm to truly appreciate the miracles around us. Ponder on time and death. Consider waking up after never going to sleep. Childhood queries evoke a funny feeling. Never ignore this. To truly understand the world as an adult, adapt a child's curiosity. Shelve your established beliefs for a moment and experience the world in its raw form.
Everything stops. Everything stops! Listen up!
Acknowledge thoughts in your head like passing waves, momentary and fleeting. Don't mistake this as a dismissal of logic and reason. We'll bring that in later. Just close your eyes, breathe, and listen. What do you truly, honestly hear?